What do you do when feeders you bought years back or a month or 2 months ago become bad and it cannot be used to feed your chicks any longer? I want to just ask. Option A, do you throw them away? Or option B, do you use them or convert them to something much more better to be used in your farm? Well, if your answer is B, then I stand with you, because I'm going to show you how we are going to use old feeders that are of no benefit again in the aspect of which they came for, and converting them to something much more better. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Eldors Agro Services, where we educate, inform, and improve you on better ways to achieve efficient broiler performance and productivity. My name is Ebita David, MD Eldors Agro Services, and also an agro-based entrepreneur with keen interest in effective broiler farming. On this channel today, I'm going to show you how to convert old feeders into drinker stands, which you can use in your poultry farm, both in the deep litter system and in the suspended cage system. Most especially for those in the suspended cage system, you would agree with me that you will find it hard trying to place your drinkers on the iron net itself. But with this particular idea that has been brought up, you will see how you can convert your old feeders to be used as drinker stands, and also to use the cones of these feeders as killing cones for your big broiler beds. You wouldn't want to miss it, and that's why I'm saying you should stay tuned to the end, and you'll see how we'll make this effective way of enhancing broiler productivity. Stay tuned. As you can see, I have little sand. I have with more of the cement. Also, to add to it, definitely we'll have water to it. Then I'll have my diesel. Most of the times I use the diesel to graze the palm. I had already removed those cones, and I tell you, these cones can still be used, because in case you want to kill your broiler beds, all you need to do is just bring it and attach it here, and then put a nail here. Put your beds, you can slit their neck, and then you have the blood going there. So this also is not wasted. So while my friend here, Mr. Clement Edet, had already introduced him, but let him say hi to the camera. Hello. So what I need to do is to use the diesel and grease the inside of it, just like you're making a cake, you know. So, and then you grease it. The essence is so that the cement doesn't stick, because we're still going to use them again to create more. As you can see, I had already previously done some few ones, so you can see this is the size for it. And so I just grease. It's not really a very hard thing anyway. So if, for some of us who bake cakes, well, we as poultry farmers, we can also bake good ones too, but well, in the other way around, just on a softer note. So after I've greased the pan, I'll just leave them there, waiting for him to be through with it. I would ensure that these pans are properly greased. Now, you would wonder that there's a hole down here. So all I need to do is, I have some nicely cut pieces that I had cut out. I know there are some where, oh yeah, let's use that to seal this particular place. I seal it up so that when they are turning in the cement in it, it's not going to be a problem. I know that some of us have questions to ask. Please do well to drop your comments in the comments box. I'll definitely answer. Also, I think I forgot something. Please, if this is your first time of joining this channel, please just do us a good favor by subscribing. Click on the like button, like the video, share the video to a friend who needs it. We'll be very grateful. And that would also help you to get notified for any of our videos that will come up, because we'll be having a whole lot of videos, especially if you had missed the one of when we're using the pressure washer. That was a wonderful one. All right, so we've gotten it mixed, and so we're going to start turning it into the cones that we have, or the containers, or how will I even call it? Well, because it's no longer a feeder any longer, and so we'll be turning it inside there. We are baking our own cake. Please don't forget, do us well to like the video, subscribe, and also share the video so as many that want it. We'll be grateful. That will help us to bring more content to your viewing also. So I'm trying to see how we can go around. Unfortunately, all of the cement I have may not go round. So I still have the spare one. When I get more, I'll do it. I think that was when I did the first one, but I wanted viewers to have the practical aspect of it. So I'll have to fill it up to this, ensuring that it gives me the best form of quality. Remember, I said all you need is cement, water, sand, the little diesel that you have. You don't need that much. I don't want this to waste. Don't mind. And then you can see I'm already making my cake here, so that I can have something like this. So I still have my killing cones here. So it's more or less like doing something yourself. Just smoothing the edges, and then I'll allow them here. I'll allow them here for the sun to heat it up. So that's the best I can do. I'll be right back. Let me just wash my hands. So I hope you enjoyed that part. Thank you for staying up till the end, and I hope you've been able to learn how to convert your old feeders into drinker stands. Well, that's all you'll get anytime you tune on and subscribe to Eldors Agro Services, because like I said, we would educate, we would inform, and improve you on better ways to enhance broiler productivity and performance. Till I see you again next time, just stay there. See ya.